was so sad to hear that the little youth with him 9 subject in none such, that them call Little Crawford, that he died. Because that youth saw me as an example. And this is a friend of mine I'm sending to you as another example who they thought was down, but he was never out. They thought I too was down. But I'm a warrior. Warrior. We are our education. Isat warrior. We our education. Warrior. Comrades, the plan has long been set. I need for Isat, because if we ever don't move our foot, there is more foot to move, so I can become the Minister of Education. And this one thing I promise to East Portland, is up in fellowship. There will be Nanny High School, because that hero deserves a school for herself. I want to know, when they said they're going to bring ship, where is the ship? It is Jinal ship. I warned you when they said tourism. I said they've never said tour, only ism and schism. I warned you when they use money to buy you for little and nothing. That 5,000 for 5 years is $1,000 a year. The year of 12 months, that's $84 a month. The month of 30 days, that's $2.40 a day. The day of 24 hours, that is 10 cents an hour. How can you sell yourself for 10 cents an hour? So all you comrades, we both lost something in 2019. And I'm sorry that I have to hand you over to someone greater than I. But I say to you that I want you to join me marching back to Jamaica House and marching back to the Parliament, because I will be going. Make sure East Portland is coming. I beg of you to put your support, to put your energy, and to put your full votes behind a man who's deserving, Comrade Isat Buchanan.